Hello, good morning guys. Namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today I am in Pondicherry. I have reached Pondicherry yesterday. I was just seeing the place locally and I was getting an idea how the place was. So today's plan is that we are at Matrimandir. So it's a spiritual organization which is open till 4 o'clock. It's already have been 3:20. So let's go and see what's there inside.
This organization was founded in 1968 by Mira Alfasa, known as Mother in Pondicherry, and designed by architect Roger Anger. The aim of Auroville is to be a universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and progress harmony, above all creeds, all politics, and all nationalities. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity. In the middle of the town is the Matrimandir, which was conceived by Mother as a symbol of divine answer to man's aspiration for perfection. Silence is maintained inside the Matrimandir to ensure the peace of the space, and the entire area surrounds the Matrimandir is called as peace area. So if you want to go inside this place, you need to get a pass the previous day itself. You can visit from the outside anytime you want till 6 o'clock in the evening, but if you want to go inside the spiritual ball, you need to take a pass before a day. Overall, the place is well maintained with greenery and plantations. Waste material like plastic are taken good care. The whole community tries to rely on natural energy like solar power. The visitors have good space to relax and guidance to know about the place. Overall, I like this place. Wish there could be more places like this around the world. I recommend you to visit this place for sure. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.